Okay, so I told you guys I was gonna vlog more. So right now I'm on the way to go to the Derma events. It's like a spa retreat sort of day, you know, it'll be fun. It's in the hills. I got all dressed up. This is the first time I'm like really going anywhere in like 4 days because I had strep throat. Like we filmed at my house yesterday with Keish and Mac, and like I was exhausted. I had to take a nap after that. So besides like the gym or my lashes, I haven't been anywhere, but I needed the rest. I had like 10 hours of sleep last night. I feel great. Got a B12 shot today, so I feel awesome. But this is not a good lighting. Like, can we get, I'm gonna just see you guys there, okay? This is so cute. Yeah. So pretty. So we just had some bomb tacos. Hey, Brittany. Look at her outfit. So extra. Hey. So pretty. She makes clothes. Like she designs and sews the clothes. Like she makes them. So if you need an outfit, what's your Instagram? Yeah. Brittany X Brat 2. Check her out. I'll link her below. We're about to go take some pictures. You can't even hear anything. I'm like yelling over this fucking music. We're gonna go take pics over there. It's so pretty. So shiny. Oh my god. But guys, I just got a tarot card reading before I left. It's over now, but the sunset, I don't know if you can still see it, but it's so pretty. It was so relaxing. Literally the girl, it was a perfect end to the night, to the whole day. Like the tarot card reader, she was so sweet and nice, and like it was all good things. So yeah, I'm pretty happy right now. And I'm gonna go meet up with some friends at their house, and they're trying to go out and party, but I'm like, listen, I'm like still sick, so like chill out. So we'll see what we're gonna do, but I need to take my medicine right now, so I'll see you guys soon. So, who uses WhatsApp again?
Drug dealers and prostitutes. Nothing good comes from that app.
So I literally just walked to the grocery store at night by myself. I was wearing a hoodie though, not this, but I wanted to show you guys real quick. Just it's Friday night, and I was like, all my friends are trying to go out, but I'm like, I'm not gonna go out. I'm just gonna make tacos. This is like fake beef. I got sour cream, cheese. I have gluten-free shells and like more stuff to put in them. I got some salad, tomatoes, burritos, all gluten-free, cheese and beans, all vegetarian. Yogurt, I have some berries to put in it, almond milk, margaritas to go with the tacos, chicken, like fake chicken for the salad, gluten-free waffles, jam, and yeah, that's about it. So I was literally like, okay, I'm not gonna go out tonight. I don't wanna be out in a club. Like, I'm so over it. I just wanted to have like dinner, just do something chill, and my friends are all like out doing crazy shit, being ratchet. So I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna make fucking tacos. My roommate parked behind me, so I was not about to call an Uber to go down the street. I was like, fuck it, I'm just walking. I want tacos, damn it, and a margarita, so that's what happened. So this is the tacos that I made. So I put refried beans on the bottom. I put the little beefless beef tips on top. Then I put a little bit of salad, and it looks like kale. Like, that's not taco salad, but like that's the salad that I got at the store. So like whatever, I just put something on there, like something green. Then I put sour cream and some Mexican cheese. So I got everything Mexican going on. Tacos, margaritas, and I'm watching Kim Kardashian West's interview on here.
Also a comedian, ladies and gentlemen.
About how she just got that lady out of prison, which is so nice. So I show up, and it's both of their birthdays today. Like, what? Okay, Virgos. I'm outnumbered. I'm gonna get this one.
You have to like.
My hand hurts. Like. We're trying to get.
I'm getting some cake too.
We're trying to get this on camera. We're like, where is he? So we were filming. I'm like, I can't even see myself. We're filming, and then they called him to like bring something. Like,
Yeah, downstairs.
You know, and you know, I'm like, okay. And then they all came in. Gosh, oh gosh.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear single lady. Happy birthday to you. Way to go! Way to go!
Okay guys, so I just left the Ipsy Studios. We had a really awesome shoot. Now I'm just like sitting in traffic, so I'm like, why don't I just, by the way, my eyes, yes, they're red. I filmed a video with Bella Thorne's 2 new palettes, which is awesome. They're so pigmented, hella pigmented. So I'm gonna put them on my Instagram page. Chill out. People are so angry. I'm like, calm down. Like, the fuck? We're not going anywhere. Like, you might as well just chill. But I wanted to continue with the gluten-free story because I was just talking to my friend Mac about it, and like, you know, because there was cake, there was a birthdays, like whatever. But she didn't go so much. She was just like trying to get in my lane. But long story short, I had really like a lot of issues. They started back in like 2015 or something, like 14. I started getting neuropathy on my legs, which is like where you get like numb, like if I'm laying down straight, like my legs will go numb, like from the knee to the hip, like just for no reason, like you know that tingly feeling that you get when you sleep on your leg. It would just do that for no reason, and then eventually I found out it was neuropathy, and I had to get shots. It's like nerve damage basically. Then I would get hives all over my body out of nowhere. They started. I always had like sneezing allergies, but hives started for no reason, like probably after I ate like gluten, but I just didn't know what it was. Then my ADD got so much worse. I used to have it like a little bit, but it got really bad to where I had to take medicine, and I like don't want to take any more medicine that I need to, you know what I'm saying? What other issues did I have? Digestive issues. That's why I stopped eating meat, because I couldn't digest anything, but now it all makes sense now, you know what I mean? So like I actually figured out using this app, because I started logging my meals, because somebody told me that you should like, you know, just try to like maybe like with the digestive issues, with the hives, you know, because I don't want to keep taking medicine to just like fix it, you know, for it to go away. I want them to not happen in the first place. So somebody was like, you should just log your meals, just kind of feel it out, like see if there's a pattern, like if you get hives after you eat something like a specific thing. So I got this app, and it's called the Good or Bad app. Oh my god, focus camera, come on. It's this first one right here. You literally just type in good or bad. It's all one word. Yeah. So it looks like that, and you just go into it, and it's simple meal logging. You log your breakfast, lunch, and dinner, snacks, exercise, your weight if you're trying to lose weight, and it tells you like your progress, like whatever. You can even take a picture of your lunch, like to just memorize, like just to have, and just write a description. And I swear to God, ever since I figured it out, because I was also Googling and researching a lot of things. I was like, you know, looking something up. I think after a detox, I got really sick, and I got a sinus infection because I was doing a detox on my body. And I looked it up. I was like, why do you get, you know, sick after a detox? And it's like all this shit is coming out, and especially if you're allergic to like, you know, blah blah blah. It was like given a few things, and I was like, wait, gluten? That's what it was. And it was like all the people that had gluten sensitivity. I probably don't have celiac, I don't know. I don't want to get tested because you have to eat it for 2 weeks straight, and I'm like, fuck that. Like I already know I'm allergic, you know, like I don't need a test to tell me that. But whenever I stopped eating it, it takes like a long time for your stomach to heal. It takes up to like 9 months, I think, for the lining of your stomach to heal. It's really complicated, just like Google leaky gut, like whatever. But I'm like, my body's been fucked up by this thing for like a while now, so it's gonna probably take a long time for like me to heal, but I started feeling better. And ever since I stopped eating gluten in April, I literally, my neuropathy shots helped for sure for my legs, but like my neuropathy is going away because you do need the shots, because it's just a gluten like free thing helps for it to not get worse, but it was nerve damaged already. So my ADD is so much better. I feel more focused and clear-headed. Like I don't even need to take my medicine, you know, like a lot of the times. Like some days I'll take it, but some days I won't. And then my digestion's better now, so much better. I don't get bloated. Oh my god, these people are just like crazy. They're wild. I remember Kingston's video about LA drivers. So true. Yeah, what else? My hives stopped completely. I think I haven't had an attack, like an allergic hives reaction, since probably like May or like April, May. Like legit, it was gluten. I figured it out. I was like seeing people's, you know, comments about what their symptoms are, and I was like, that is so me. And then I started logging my meals, and whenever I accidentally had gluten, like sometimes it'll slip through. Like now I'm so much better, but at first I would like log my stuff on the app. Like it helped so much. So if you're trying to just like watch your weight, like, you know, like for different things, I would log it. Like it has a weight thing on there, like how much did I weigh like this, like today or tomorrow, like whatever. So if you're trying to lose weight, I think it would help a lot. Also, like with sensitivity with food allergies, you know, you can log what you've eaten like each day, and whenever you get like a allergic reaction or something, you can go back and be like, oh, what did I have today? Oh, the last time I had an attack was a week ago. What did I have that day? You can kind of compare them and be like, oh shit, it was like these nuts or like whatever you ate, you know what I'm saying? So I feel like it really helps to totally get it. I'll put a little link in the description box for you guys, but legit like saved my life, and just like it's getting better. Like now I can tell my body's like healing, you know, and it's just so much better, you know, because leaky gut, basically you can't, like the vitamins won't absorb in your body, but the toxic shit that's supposed to go through like your liver will go through the gut, through the stomach, into your bloodstream. So it's like the opposite of what you want, you know. So it just fucks up your whole body. Like your stomach is so important. It's like what you eat is literally who you are. It's crazy. But just want to tell you guys that story because people have asked me like, why are you vegetarian, why are you gluten-free, blah, blah. So I'm like, glad I live in LA because, you know, there's a lot of vegan, vegetarian stuff here. Oh my god, it's so loud. By the way, I just did a Q&A because I was sitting in traffic. Like now I'm actually moving. I was just literally sitting, not moving in traffic. So I did a little Q&A on my Instagram. So sometimes it was really fun. So I'm gonna start doing it. Like it's gonna be a thing. So follow me on Instagram and, you know, just like send me some questions whenever I do it. It'll be fun. You know what I'm saying? I went blonde yesterday with Bosev. That was fun. I have the extensions in, which by the way, I do have a discount for them. Just saying. He did cut them for me. Like he layered them so they're not as like thick and heavy and they blend with my hair. But they were already ombre, I'm saying, but he just cut them for me. But he's amazing. Go see him. Like he's so good. My hair was literally like, nah, girl. If you see the before and after on my Instagram, it's like literally like new hair, who this, new life, like what? I'm just driving home now. It's like an hour drive from Ipsy to me, especially with this traffic. It's gonna be like an hour and a half, so I'm just like here. So that's why I was like started vlogging. I started thinking about this shit. I was like, why don't I just start, you know, talking to you guys? I want to start vlogging more, so let me know if you guys want to see just like living life in LA vlogs. Some people ask me for that, but sometimes I don't have my camera, so it's like they just vlog on my phone. Like I don't know, is that like what else? Yeah, just let me know what you guys want to see and what you want me to talk about, because I feel like this is helpful for people, like what, like the gluten-free thing. So if there's any other questions or whatever you guys want to like me to talk about that's helpful, like let me know what it is and I'll talk about it. Okay, so
look here, watch, put the coin right here, put the coin right here. Look, I right here. Look, okay. I just keep a little pet with me. Look, watch, if you just like call it like Look, oh my god. Look, watch, and he kind of just steals it. Like, right out.
Oh my god, that is
scary. Hey, big magic, you did?
Hey guys, I got my ponytail today. This is a low-key day. Just about to go to the grocery store so I can get some paper towels, pizza, and I want to try cauliflower pizza and cash back because I need to go fix my freaking ratchet nail that broke. So I need cash back to tip them because I go to this only one salon down the street and they only take tips in cash. So I really want to tip this girl. She's really good. But I also want to just kind of come on here and just say, like, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Like, I was talking to one of my friends, and she's going through just like stuff like depression, like whatever, and like, you know, I've had my lows, especially last year. You guys were with me, which I appreciate so much when you guys were with me. I'm getting emotional. I think it's like that time of the month. I don't know, but I'm getting emotional. But when I moved to Florida last year, it was so hard to leave Virginia, you know, which I wanted to leave Virginia. I'm glad I left Virginia. Like, I've been wanting to leave there for so long, so I'm glad I left. Of course, I'm in LA, but at first it was so hard because when I was going through a breakup, I left everything that I knew. So like after a breakup, you usually have your friends, places to go to you're familiar with. I didn't have none of that. I had my parents, obviously, my mom, my stepdad, but my friends were not there. Of course, I talked to them on the phone, but like they weren't there. Why is this camera not focusing? This camera sucks. And I don't know, like it just was a hard time just changing everything. Plus I didn't know, but I was gluten sensitive, so my body was just completely like shutting down. Like I was having all these symptoms, and I was just making me more like, not like necessarily depressed, because I don't want to just throw that word out there for people that are depressed, but it's definitely not in the right place, like place, whatever. And you know, I got out of it. Obviously I'm here in LA, I'm happy, but like, you know, I just want to say that it'll get better. Like no matter what, like it'll get better. Like never think that, you know, whatever you're going through is just gonna make you a better person in the end. Like if you're going through a tough time, just remember that every time you're going through something bad, like every time it gets worse, it's gonna get better right after it, because there's a reason for it. You know, like universe, the God, whatever you want to believe in, has always like, it's giving you, it's not gonna give you something that you cannot handle, is what I'm trying to say. Like it's always gonna give you something that you're gonna get past and get stronger and be a better person because of it. So just because it's like something like really hard that you're going through, dude, there's like no parking, it doesn't mean that, you know, you're not gonna get through it. So I just want to say that. And there's no parking here. Oh, there's a person pulling out. But I just wanted to let you guys know. Also, if you guys don't mind, I'm going to like find clips, because I have so many clips that I've vlogged since I've been in LA on my, you know, laptop, my freaking cameras all over my phone, but I just never posted them in a vlog. This isn't focusing. So I'm gonna do like little throwbacks. First I'm gonna tell you guys when it is a throwback. I'm not just gonna randomly insert it in, but I promise you I'm always posting on my Instagram storyline. So if you want to keep up with my life, just go in there. I'm sure. But yeah, but I'm gonna start putting little clips in starting from the next vlog, if you guys don't mind. So guys, I'm gonna end this vlog. I just literally unboxed all the shit, did a haul. I'm eating pizza. This is my Friday night. So exciting. Now some days, I mean, I'm just like whatever. I've been sick all this week, so I'm just taking it slow. But I just wanted to say bye, because yeah, I just wanted to end this vlog nicely and say I hope you guys have an amazing day, amazing night whenever you watch this video. I love you guys. Leave me some comments down below what you guys want to see next, and if I should keep doing these weekly vlogs. And I love you. Bye.